Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cleaning my office. If I'm not mistaken, I do believe this is the first time that I'm actually going to be cleaning the entire office. I'm also going to be cooking in this video. So today's video is sponsored by HomeChef, but let's go ahead and start cleaning. So first things first, I am going through all of my mail and all of my paperwork, and I am putting everything in a bag right now, and I'm pretty much prepping it to be shredded later on. If you can see, the shredder is across the room in the dining room. It is entirely too big to go into my office, so I am looking for something a little bit smaller. Once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and light my candle because I do like the candle to start burning when I start cleaning. That way by the time I get done, the room just smells really, really nice in the space. I am burning my candle from Bath and Body Works.
Don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to feel awkward?
I am really excited about this part of the video. As you can see, my casing came in and I also ordered an insert. If you saw my pillow haul, this is a down and feather mix. I did not go 100% down because I do move the pillow when I'm sitting down, so I wanted to keep the cost at a minimum with this pillow just because the fabric was pretty expensive just on its own. But I am loving the pillow. I am loving the color. It looks so good in the space, and once everything is done you'll get to see it. But again, the velvet cut with this beautiful lavender looks so good against my chair, which you guys know it has that Krypton fabric on there. It looks so good. I'm so excited about it. So now that I'm done with the pillow, I'm going to go ahead and move my chair out the way. Reason being is, if you guys remember when I was working on my office, I do have a tempered glass on the floor, so that way the casters on my chair, I can still roll around in my chair. So I'm going to adjust all the plugs and get them nice and clean and organized back inside of the box. And then I am going to move that tempered glass only because papers do tend to slide down there. Now, I had a couple of nicks and dings on my desk, but I have to be really, really careful when moving this. But I want to move it and clean it. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. I will say there's absolutely no scratches from the caster. I am using my Dyson to clean, although I didn't charge it. So I really didn't get too much use out of it. I think it gave me one good little pull. That was about it. So I am going to charge it and I'm going to pull out my canister. But I am really loving this tempered glass. I will say, because the way my chair is situated, the casters are pretty high up underneath the chair. I still wanted, I didn't want to change it out. I ended up ordering this. If you did not catch my office tour, I suggest you catch it, that way you can see it. But now that I have it clean, I'm going to go ahead and put my chair back. And my chair is from Vanguard, you guys, but I got it by way of Home Goods. This chair actually retailed for about $1,000 and I only got it for $400. I love the nail head trim around this chair. It's so pretty, very, very girly and feminine. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and change out the floral arrangements. I did purchase some fresh flowers. This is not something that I do all the time, but I definitely love having fresh flowers around the house. And now I'm going to take a break so I can start cooking. This has been saving our lives the past couple of weeks because I haven't been able to do anything in the pantry. So this right here is the garlic and lemon crusted salmon, which is amazing. It has spinach. And this one here is going to be the barbecue ranch steak flatbread. I'm going to make that right now because I was hungry. I wanted to show you guys the inside. You get this like freezer bag and everything is underneath. Everything is individually wrapped. I've done meal plans before, you guys know that. But what makes me like HomeChef is the fact that the meals, you can get fruits and vegetables and smoothies. And then under all the vegetables is going to be a freezer bag with all the meat. So I do take an extra step when I am prepping my meal. You do not have to do this. The meals are truly under an hour prep time and also cook time. HomeChef is currently offering you guys $80 off your first 4 orders. You simply have to use my code at checkout, which is Nadia80. I will be leaving more information in the description box if you are interested, but definitely you can choose your own meal, and I do have the family size. I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning that comes inside of the box, and I'm going to get started. Alright, you guys, I'm sure by now you know I'm the salmon girl. Just call me the salmon girl. Hashtag salmon girl. But I have the salmon in here cooking, the vegetable with the seasoning in here for the kale, and then I have my tomatoes on nice and toasted. I did add some vegetable seasoning, just a little bit of this right here, which is a garden vegetable, and also a little bit of garlic powder on top of the salt and pepper recommended for the seasoning, just to give it a little bit more flavor, you know, but you don't have to do that. But I just like my stuff to be really, really seasoned. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result. Here it is, you guys. I have the kale, tomatoes, and the salmon, and I cooked it to perfection. Here's the rest of the salmon here, and then I have the kale here. Ooh, look. Ooh, sorry, y'all. Sorry. Okay, so you guys don't have to do this, but I like it because it's sweet, but it's balsamic reduction. It's really, really good. If you've never tried it, try it. Here it is right here. It's amazing. You have to try it. Back to the cleaning I go. So I am going to be cleaning off the marble tray that I have on top of the bookcase. I have a little bit of the pollen and also the petals from the floral arrangement. All I'm doing is spraying a little bit of SPRAYWAY glass cleaner on that piece of marble and just dusting it off with a microfiber cloth. I did purchase some fresh flowers that I think you guys are gonna absolutely love. They are from the company called Urban Poppy here in Savannah. They make the best floral arrangements. I just had to go in there and get it, and it has my lavender colors in it. So moving on to the other side of the room, I'm going to go ahead and clean off this accent table. It is from HomeGoods. If I am not mistaken, I want to say the company is Broyhill. I could be wrong on it. I'm not 100% sure, but 100% I know that I got this from HomeGoods, and again, the price was just really right and it fit perfectly into the space. I wanted to have somewhere when someone came to the office they can just set a drink down and not put anything on my furniture. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my barrel swivels. Those are from Bernhardt. I actually found them online. They were priced crazy. I was looking for a dupe, and then I ended up finding these on consignment, and so I jumped at the opportunity. They were brand new in the box, and the price I was really unbeatable. Hopefully you guys caught my office tour. If you didn't, I will leave a card stock. But as you can see, I am cleaning it with a microfiber cloth. It is dampened just a bit with a little bit of Dawn soap on there, and I'm just cleaning it off. Just nothing crazy, just making sure to get the fingerprints, the little sticky stuff with the kids sitting on here. Although the furniture, in my personal opinion, is dainty, it is very, very high quality and it's durable, which is why I do believe in making an investment in certain pieces. And you know, my kids, they tend to follow me everywhere in the house, so when I think about furniture and I'm thinking about designing something, I always think, what will my kids do? So the surfaces for me have to be easy to clean.
But I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from.
Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my desk. Unfortunately, Stanley is currently closed. That is where I purchased my desk. I'm sure a lot of you guys saw this at HomeGoods. I did not get mine from there. Unfortunately, my store here in Savannah never got it. If it did, trust me, I would have gotten it. I really do love the desk. It is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it has a bookcase on the front of it. It is just so great. I'm able to do my work on there with ease, fit everything on there. It's just perfect. But anyway, I'm dusting, and as I stated before, decor pieces, HomeGoods, Tuesday morning. My focus when it came to this space was the furniture. I wanted quality pieces, but when it came to decor, I'm not picky at all. We can just high and low for sure. But once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and clean the top of the desk, clean off all the mirrors, and then I'm going to vacuum, and then I will come right back to talk to you guys a little bit more.
way they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper.
All right, I am all done. I have the mirror that I have to clean, which I'm gonna do that now, but for the most part, everything is all done. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave them down below. But I just wanted you guys to see the chair. All I did was take a dampened microfiber cloth, one that has already been washed, because sometimes they do have like a dye in it and it might do the color, but I use the blue ones and the yellow. I haven't really had an issue, so I would just say to be really careful. Let me just stress that this right here is 100% leather, so keep that in mind too when you're cleaning yours. And maybe a different cleaning product that you have to use, I don't know. You have to really clean to the specification of your furniture in your space. Oh, I want you guys to see this floral arrangement. Now this I picked up from Urban Poppy. It is absolutely beautiful. I did get a little bit of a discount just because some of the trimmings around the flowers were dying and everything. So I really do love it. This is actually the second day of it being in the house. I'm going to change the water out tomorrow just to kind of keep it up and everything like that. Today is Saturday, March 16. I'm not sure when this video is going to be going up. Everything's kind of backlogged, so that's that. And then I have my candle burning from Bath & Body Works. All I did was take the label off so it's purple to match the room. And then my pillow is here. I am so happy about that. Now I did purchase the fabric separately from the insert, so that's just that one to kind of show you guys. And again, it is the purple, which I love. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for the video. If you are not already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out HomeChef. Everything will be linked in the description box down below.